day, children! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Team Dangers 83. So today, children, we have another lesson to study. Are you now excited? Very good, cause I am also excited. But before we go on, let me introduce myself. I am Teacher Bev, and I am your teacher today. What is my name again? Very good. I am Teacher Bev. Okay, now let's go to our lesson today, children. Okay, look at this. Our lesson today is all about the vowel O. Okay, so what is the sound of the letter O? Okay, the sound of the letter O, it goes like this. Look at my mouth, children. You are going to make it like this. O. 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 Again. O. Okay, very good. So that is the sound of the letter O. Okay, before we proceed to our topic, let us have a song. Do you want to sing a song, children? Okay, very good. You can sing it with me. I know you can do it. Let's sing the sound of O. Let's sing the sound of O. Open okra octopus, start with O. Let's sing the sound of O. Let's sing the sound of O. Open okra octopus, start with O. Okay, so as you can see me during the song, my mouth open like this. O, O, O. So that is the sound of the letter O. Okay, do you want to sing it again, children? Okay, very good. Let us sing it. I know you can sing it with me. Sing the song of O. Sing the song of O. Open okra octopus, start with O. Let's sing the sound of O. Let's sing the song of O. Open okra octopus, start with O. Okay, children, very good. Clap your hands. So that is the sound of the letter O. The sound of the letter O is O, O, O. Okay, now let's go to the different pictures with the beginning sound of O. Okay, look at this picture. What is the name of this picture? Okay, so this is called orchid. Orchid. And the beginning sound is O. Orchid. 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 And the beginning sound again is O. Okay, now let's go to another picture. The O sound. Okay, what is the name of this object? Okay, this is called oyster. Oyster. And the beginning sound of oyster is O. Again, what is the name of this object? Oyster. Oyster. And the beginning sound is O. Oyster. Okay. Now let's go to another picture. Look at these children. What is the name of this animal? Okay, the name of this animal is ostrich. 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 And the beginning sound is O. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, next is this. Look at this, children. Okay, what is the name of this object? This is called orange. Orange. And the beginning sound is O. Orange. Orange. And the beginning sound is O. orange. Okay, next is this. Look at this. Okay, what is the name of this picture? Okay, the name of this object is called octopus. 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 And the beginning sound is octopus. Octopus. The beginning sound is octopus. Okay, next is this. What is the name of this object? Okay, this is called okra. 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 And the beginning sound is okra. Okra. Okay, how about this one? What is the name of this object? This is called onion. 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 And the beginning sound is onion. Okay, next picture is this. Okay, what is the name of this object? This is called oven. Oven. And the beginning sound is oven. Oven. And the beginning sound is Okay. The next object is this. What is the name of this animal? So this is called ox. 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 And the beginning sound is ox. Ox. Okay, so let us recall the different objects with the beginning sound of The first object is orchid. Orchid. And the beginning sound is orchid. The next object is this. Oyster. Oyster. And the beginning sound is oyster. The next object is this. Ostrich. Ostrich. And the beginning sound is ostrich. Okay, the next object is this one. Orange. Orange. And the beginning sound is orange. The next picture is this. Octopus. 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 And the beginning sound is octopus. Octopus. Okay. Another object is this. Okra. Okra. And the beginning sound is Another object is this one. Onion. Onion. And the beginning sound is onion. Okay, the next object is this. Ox. Ox. And the beginning sound is ox. Ox. And the last object is this one. Oven. 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 And the beginning sound is All of these objects, the beginning sound is Okay, so that is the picture or the objects with the beginning sound of ah, ah. Now, children, let's go on how to write the sound of ah. But before that, okay, look at me, children. We are going to write it in the air. Okay, let's do it. Look at me, children. This is how to write the big ah sound in the air. Look at me. Up, down, going up. So that is the big ah sound. But how about the small ah sound? Again, but how to write the small ah sound? Okay, look at me, children. From upward down, going to the up. This is how to write the small ah sound in the air. Now, let's go to write it in your paper. I hope you have your grade 1 paper at your side. Look at your grade 1 paper, children. Okay, as you can see, there are different lines, different colors of lines. You can see the blue color line, the red line, and another blue line color. So, this is how to write the sound of ah sound. Okay, look at this. As you can see this arrow, you are going to start it at the upper blue line, and then you're going to the lower blue line, then going up. Okay, so this is the big ah sound. Okay, how about the small ah sound? Okay, look at this. You are going to start it at the red line, down to the blue line, and then going up to the red line. This is how to write the small ah sound. Okay, another example. This is the big ah sound. And this is the small ah sound. Okay, another example. You're going to write it at the upper blue line, down to the blue line, then going up to the blue line. This is the big ah sound. And this is the small ah sound. You're going to write it at the red line, down to the blue line, going up to the red line. Okay, another example is this. You're going to write it at the blue line, down to the blue line, then going up to the blue line. This is how to write again the big ah sound. And the small ah sound is this. You're going to write it in the red line, down to the blue line, then going up to the red line. So this is how to write the big ah and the small ah sound. I know you can do it, children. It is very easy to write. Hope you can make it, children. And if you have your paper, if you have your grade 1 paper at your side, you can make it now. Okay, thank you very much, children. And I hope you learned something today. And until to my next video. Okay, thank you, children. Bye-bye.